Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with friendship mail from Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. This box had a roundabout trip from where she lives to the state I live in, back to a whole different state neither one of us live in, and finally here today. And there's a card. It says, "Happy birthday!" Oh, it's cute. Hi Tina, happy birthday. Here's a little gift for you. So I also put a couple of things for the grandbabies. Things I picked up for you. Sorry, it's not too much. Aw, hug Sabrina. Oh, the thought, just a card would have been nice. Sabrina's Dollar Tree gets a lot of stuff that mine doesn't, and she'll pick up things here and there when I ask her. So we're just gonna kind of gather some of this in tissue paper. And some is wrapped up, so I'm just grabbing. I don't know what. I'll know what I bought. Oh, look at that. Welcome summer. Look at a red truck. Oh my god. That is so cool. I would be hanging. I love the sunflowers. I'll be hanging that up. I'm welcoming summer. Spring has sprung in Wisconsin. Oh, this nice tissue paper. That's not including what was in the other side of the box when I opened it that I got thrown on the top of the table. This is our mixing medius. Gold mine with that. Said I'm just grabbing. Look at these. Watermelon. Strawberries. Oh, I love the color combo. I love that minty green. These are so cool. I haven't seen these at any of my stores. Thank you, Sabrina. I'm loving these. Me and my trucks. Oh, so cool. Okay. And she picked up a few of the stamps for me. The birds. If you guys can see, that's cool. The mailbox. And the dragonfly and the butterflies. Awesome sauce. These I had her pick up for me. But we're just going to grab. These I had her grab for me as well. The wooden pieces, the laser cut. These are the clocks, the keys, more clocks, the crosses, and the seahorse shells turtle. Love that turtle. I've been waiting for these to come in at mine forever. Because I just saw, I'm like, oh, I want them. So for the clocks. So pick them up for me as well. Oh, sent me a few of these dishes. We were talking about these. Thank you. I don't know where to go with stuff right now. This is the dream catcher glass sticker. That's cool. I wonder if we can color it. These haven't came into my store either. Ain't that crazy? One Dollar Tree can get them and another one can't. Oh, here's the other stamp I wanted. The dream catcher. Let's go. Catch your dreams. Be brave. That is so pretty. And oh yeah, she sent these for Riley. She'll love these. I have her tomorrow. And then she came across the kids' mask, and she sent one for each one of the kids. She forgot the third one, but she said she'll put it in. I bought some stuff from her last night. Was it last night? She's like, I'll stick that other mask I picked up for you. I got he's for the kids. I think it's funny that we oh, excuse me, I know we oh, look at the ribbon. It's truck that we Dollar Tree shop with each other. And oh, we bit lucky. Oh, look at the little gnome plaque. Thank you. And I'm going to display that. He's going to stay up all year long. Thank you so much, Sabrina. I will have Sabrina's channel linked in the description box below. If you're not aware of her, please go over and subscribe. She also will be in this month's flea market. She has a lot of nice stuff, guys, because I've seen it. Because I've been helping her organize and work it out. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate everything. Thanks for being my Dollar Tree shopper on stuff that when I can't find it. Cool. At first I was like, do I need them? But I wanted the dream. There were certain ones on each one I wanted. I wanted this dream catcher. I wanted that dragonfly. I wanted that mailbox. And the birds were just cool. So. And these, I can imagine this in here on a cluster. So, them are so cool. And thank you so much for the dishes. And of course the wall plaques and the trucks. I love them. I love them. I love them. So everybody, like I said, if you're not subscribed to Sabrina, please do so at this time. And I will talk to y'all later. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye. I screwed that up again. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.